Oh, what's up?
You want me to meet you here?
Yeah. I was with Aaron said he was gonna get all my public records I need from you guys. He was gonna get them together for me or something like last week.
Yeah, they're actually in a folder. All that stuff is ready for you at the city hall.
No, not from them. I'm talking about from you guys.
Yeah. He put it with the stuff at city hall.
What? How would he give you my city hall my records? Here's another form where he has my. That's what I need right there.
Yeah, all the citations, arrests, abatements, complaints, city infractions, all that stuff is, he went up to the sheriff's office today.
Yeah.
Got all that stuff printed off from the sheriff's office, and it's at city hall.
Okay. What about any of the citations or anything like that, or any of the notices like on my door, all those failure to abate nuisances, or like all the.
Yep.
All of it's on there. Every citation, all the citations I got from you. Like there's like 3 of them on there for the motorhome thing. I don't know what the deal is with that, but.
Any criminal, anything criminal from us will be up there. I can't speak to.
No, I'm saying just like all the citations. I never even seen some of those.
All your citations, all your arrest records, everything like that we have specifically from the Manly Police Department to you is up at City Hall.
Everything on that list that I just gave you, is you have it. I was gonna say too.
I don't know, Chad. I'm telling you what Aaron told me.
Okay.
And if it's anything criminal like citations.
Well,
or
just
arrests,
even like all the times that you guys leave notes on my doors. You know,
I didn't see the paperwork up there. I'm just relaying to you the information that I got from Aaron.
All right.
Does that make sense?
No, not really. But I was wondering.
Do you need this back?
No, that's a form that you guys need it actually. I got a copy of it and I'm turning that to you so that it's the Public Information Act and I'm requesting all those forms from you guys, not City Hall or nothing.
Yep, and all that stuff.
So yeah, if you want to just give that to Aaron,
up at City Hall
yeah, you want to give that's to both you guys. That letter is right there.
Okay.
So I don't know if you guys have ever read Chapter 22 in the Iowa Code Book. It's the Open Records Law.
I can't say that I've thoroughly gone through it. No.
No. All right. I have one more question. I can't remember what it was. Hold on one second. It'll come to me. I can't think of it. Shit. I can't think of what it was. Abatements was like the failure to abate nuisances, all them ones, and then like.
The citations for all those will be up there. Copies of all those citations should be up there.
Right.
Is what you would get from us. We don't, because with the clerk of courts, you don't get the actual.
Oh yeah, city infractions. Where was the city infraction that was a violation of the criminal? It was written by the Manly criminal or police department. The criminal complaint was, and there's 6 exhibits you guys entered as evidence. What was the city infractions I was in violation of? I never even knew about that one even ever.
I don't even know. I don't know what city infraction you're even referring to.
Yeah, I'll tell you what it is. I don't know what a city infraction is either, but I got a copy of it right here, the filing.
City infraction would be like
you wrote the ticket,
or
it says city
dog at large.
Well, I don't. There's no criminal charge on it, but it's $685 on cost of it, and it was just like this. Here, I'll show you a copy of it easier. You wrote the ticket for it, but there's no criminal charge for it. It just says in violation of city infractions, and it's got 6 exhibits.
Did you go to court
$685? No, I never even know it happened ever. This is when I didn't even live here. It was I don't know. I didn't even know about it. I just found it on Iowa Courts. Well, it was actually assessed to my taxes. So then I went on Iowa Courts and looked at it, and I was like,
then you're gonna have to go to the assessor's office and figure.
Oh, I did. I went there too. But I was just you wrote the ticket. I was just wondering what the city infractions were I violated. That's all. Maybe it'll remind you if you see a copy of it. Here, hold on one second.
City infraction would be like what I've written you.
This is a totally separate deal, though. These ones are totally different. There's not a I don't know failure to abate a nuisance and all that stuff. That'll be like the citation for it. But this is no citation.
That would be a city infraction.
This one's city infraction. There's no. There is no.
If that's not the answer you're looking for,
I'm not looking. I'll show you the ticket, then maybe you'll know because it's not. It's just here. It's right here. Look right here. Bam. I got it. See, that wasn't that hard. Right here. There we go. Okay. Here's the It says criminal. It says Manly criminal complaint at the very bottom of the filing, and then you go up, and it's city infraction violations, 2 of them, 2 counts, and then it's got 6 exhibits that you entered as evidence. I just wondered name one city infraction there is. I don't even know what a city infraction could be.
Okay, what am I looking at?
That's a filing of the case.
Civil infraction?
That's what you wrote. Yeah, criminal complaint was written by Manly PD, and then there's 2 counts of city infraction violations, and then there's 6 things of evidence that you guys entered. You can go to the charge on the Iowa courts, and it doesn't have no charge. Huh?
Okay, click on this.
Here, I can. It's like this. You just go like this, and then you go, here's how much it cost me, $685 just for that one. And it got assessed to my taxes, and I owe it to the courthouse somehow, and I don't even know what it is. And then if you go, I'll show you with a criminal complaint, there isn't one. There's not a criminal charge, but there's a citation number. Citation number is, here's the criminal charge, is what it says.
And that's not a state charge, that's a city charge.
That's a charge. Yeah, you wrote this ticket. See, there's a charge of it. There's no charge. There's no criminal charge there for that count, for that citation. But I don't know what it is. I have no idea. All I know is I owe $685 on my taxes for it, and I owe $685.
What did the assessor say?
The assessor said they have to ask Manly PD. That's what they told me to look at. That's what they told me to do. To ask you guys what it was for, because there should be no. I don't even know what a city infraction is. I know what a citation is when I get failure to abate a nuisance like these.
Right.
I know what those are.
My guess is that's what it would be. I don't know, Chad.
Can you look it up to the citation number maybe? It's
I don't have anything to look it up with.
Oh, you don't? SMCR 0099460.
Well, what was it we say? SMCR?
Yeah, usually that's a serious misdemeanor, but there's not a criminal charge on this one. Or, aggravated misdemeanor.
SM is simple. SR is serious.
Well, that's what it's under. But it ain't got no it's got no criminal charge ever. Here's the citation number is 2460. I got 2462, and I got 2461. I got 2459, 2458.
What I would do, Chad, is tomorrow when you get all this paperwork from us,
yeah,
is to see if you can match any of that stuff up.
I did, yeah. That's what I've been doing. That's what I'm saying. I just don't want this one.
Go through the tickets or the citations, whatever you got from us, and see the dollar amount on them.
Yeah, well, most of them are all dismissed. Almost all of them.
Right.
But I did.
That's what
I've been doing, yeah.
That's what I would do, and it may not even say because I don't think the city ordinance violation ones, I don't think those have a dollar amount on them.
$685 was last one.
That might be what it is. I don't know.
I don't know what it was. Yeah, but that's what I need. I need the information on it, what it was. See, all these failure to abate nuisances, they're all dismissed.
What I would do is, I've never done it, so I don't know the process. You probably know it better than I do.
Yeah.
Can you go up to? I'm assuming you can go up to the assessor's office and print out your taxes from every single year.
I did.
And what was assessed and what was.
Oh yeah, there's over 100 fucking assessments from Manly City.
Put
6 years
on and off, correct? I'm guessing.
Yeah, pretty solid, pretty much all.
So I would maybe take those citations after you get them tomorrow and go up to the assessor's office and say, listen, is there any way I can match these up as to maybe look at the dates and look at the times that they were the dates they were assessed on your taxes and the dates of the citations that I've written you.
Yeah, that's
for the city.
Right, that's what I'm saying. That's what the ones I needed to cut. Yeah, if you can get that information.
Yep. And all those citations, as far as I know, Chad, will be up there.
Okay. So good. That'd be good. Hopefully, that's what I've been doing. Is just exactly that. So I don't know. I hope that's it. Oh look, I'll go up there in the morning and see if they got there. You want to give that to Aaron too, so that way if there is.
I'll make a copy of it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it.
Find any of those records that I asked for. Just see if you can find any of them. So.
Do you have a copy of this?
Yeah.
So tomorrow.
Yeah.
When you go up there tomorrow.
Yeah.
Slash all the things off that we gave you from this list.
Okay.
And then
all right.
If there's anything left off of it,
okay.
Which I don't know. Like I said, I didn't see the paperwork, so I can't tell you what is or isn't there.
Right. Okay.
I called up there last night for you when I got your message pretty late.
Yeah.
I called up there last night, and the dispatcher didn't really give me any information. All he gave me was a text message saying, this is the date, this is what the charge was. That's all it was. It wasn't an actual official document.
Okay.
So Aaron went up there today when he was working. He got all that stuff.
Okay. Okay.
So that's what should be up there to the best of my knowledge.
Okay, cool. All right. All right. I'll do that in the morning. Thanks, Cameron.
All right.
All right, bud. Thanks.
All right.
Have a good night.